There are three topics related. One is simple jog function, second is forward jog, and the third is the reverse jog. Before we begin, we need to understand where it is used. The most important application is for elevator. They call it inspection speed. And second application is machine which requires inching function. There are two benefits of using this function. One is that the jog function has its own acceleration and deceleration time along with its own speed. So for any normal speed, the acceleration and deceleration will be different than the jog's acceleration and deceleration, which will help in precision. Second benefit is that in maintenance, we need a specific speed of motor which is more suitable for diagnosis. So I will show in demo an idea of jog functions working. For programming, I will assign P5 as jog function by accessing IN69. Next thing is to set the speed, acceleration and deceleration time for jog. I will go to DRV11 for the speed and DRV12 and 13 for jog acceleration and deceleration time. And I will keep speed at 10 Hz, acceleration time at 20 Hz and deceleration as 30. Now programming is done, let's test. First, I will turn on the motor at normal speed, which is 30 Hz. And note that here acceleration and deceleration time is 0 seconds. Now I will connect P5 with CM. Notice that the normal speed has overridden and different deceleration time is being followed, which we defined as 30 seconds. So that's why it is coming to the set frequency, which is 10 Hz slowly. And I will make the connection to P5. Now you notice the small J sign at the top of the screen, which indicates jog function. And 30 Hz is no longer shown, 10 Hz is on the display, which shows higher priority of jog. As you have seen that the jog function require one signal for enabling jog speed and second signal is required to define the direction. But sometimes in existing design it is not possible without modification, which may require additional relay and wiring. So we have the convenience of forward jog and reverse jog function. For more understanding, I will present demo. I have defined P4 and P5 as forward jog and reverse jog, as you can see. Now I will connect CM to P4 and look, it's running in forward direction at the defined jog speed. Next I will connect CM to P5 and it's running in reverse direction at the defined jog speed. Lastly, the important benefit of jog function is its priority. It has a higher level of priority, which means it will override other speeds, whether it will be multi-speed or speed using volume.